I want to share with you today a great way to clean the grout in your shower. Obviously, when you take showers, the dirt builds up in the grout area, and you're probably trying to figure out what can I do that's easy, that really will work, and take that right out. And it's a product called Magic Eraser Original. This product works really well. I forgot I had it. I called Home Depot this morning and said, hey, how do I clean the grout in my shower stall? So they suggested to try this. So all you need to do is take your Magic Eraser, which is reusable, get it wet, and then all you need to do now is come to that grout area, and as you can see, it takes that right out, that dirt that built up in the grout. And then all you would need to do to reuse it is just run it under the water to get any of the dirt out, and then you can reuse it. And it works on a number of different surfaces. It's great in the kitchen, appliances, countertops, faucets, ceramic tile grout, living room, children's playset areas, leather athletic shoes, car windshield glass. I didn't even know about that for glass. Car windshield, which is good to know, and much more. So I hope this tip is of help. You probably can get it at your local Walmart, I believe, also Home Depot. So that's pretty much it for now, and until the next video, have a great day.